Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Hi, I'm Benevolent in the Flesh. You're a fellow pussy.
We flush it, but sometimes it keeps running, okay? But one of the things that I realized is this thing. Is that supposed to be doing that?
Yes, that's what pulls up your bowl.
And
See this gap?
it's coming from here.
Right, I saw this right here.
Yeah.
No, yes sir. We might turn another screw out, you know, do it.
Still leaking, so we were a little concerned, and then when the roofers went up into the attic, they looked and there's a second story bathroom right above this, and it appears that they saw a leaky pipe.
These fuckers leak every goddamn time.
Thank you, me too.
That one must have been brown.
It's still doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Shit.
Crap. Fucking ate up.
You got a lot of bread, look at him.
Hello, how are you? How you doing? We'll get you going. Can we open that door? Now you set your temperature over here, wherever you want it.
Okay.
I'll put it on just hot. I'll put it right in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, and if it's too hot, just turn it down.
Instant hot? Insta hot.
Okay, check the door.
Yeah, it'll clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can?
Yes.
Okay. Will you order me one?
Yes. It's Kohler Comfort Height White. I think he said it's $6.50.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Yep. It has a seat on it and everything.
When I'm